Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Form 2 to Form 3 Summer Bridging course. This will be the part 3, and in this video we're going to continue with Unit 2 factorization. Now for this part, because these questions are sent to me by some students, but I don't really have the soft copy for it, and I'm too lazy to type on my own. So but for this one, the worksheet, the question that they send is very scratched, like it's Hausa. I don't know how to say that in English actually, so the quality is not so good. So what I'm gonna do is write the questions on my own, and then while writing I'll explain as well. And we have to do the factorization. Factorization means in the end you need to have brackets. So previously what we did is expansion. Expansion means no brackets, while the factorization is the opposite of it, so you need a bracket for it. Okay, so how do we know how to do the factorization? So you need to take out something that's common first of all. Example first. It's not really in the worksheet, but you can listen. So AB plus B. Every plus or minus can define a different term. So in these terms, is there anything that they both have it? Yes, B. So you take out anything that's common. Whatever is left, put it in the bracket. And remember to have all the terms. So from the first term, you took out B, so you are left with A. Then from the second one, you took out B. What is left then? There's always a hidden one, so it will be A plus 1. Similarly, if you open it up, it should come back to this one. So this is expand, this is factorization, like that. So another one. Let's go to exercise 1, of course. So your first one will be 4AB plus 8A. You will have to see anything common. Also from the numbers, can they be divided by some same numbers? They both can be divided by the number 4, so you take that out, and they both have the same unknown A, so you also take that out. What is left? B plus 2, because 2 times 4 is 2 times 4 is 8, and there's an 8. Then 1 times 4 is 4, so no number left. That's it. And then next, number 2, you don't have to write the middle step. I know there's another step, but you don't really have to. 1B, you might have less. Okay, question 2. I won't do too many questions because I don't have time at the moment. I'm doing this in a rush as well. So here, anything common, any number first of all common. They can be both divided by. Okay, give me a break. I have a call. Hello? So guys, I just sorry for the break, and because I'm not gonna edit the video, so that's why you might be a little, the quality might not be so good. How about 14 and 35? Is there my sister is laughing on me. So is there any number that can be divided by these two? Yes, 7. And then any unknown same, they both have Q, so also take that Q out. And what is left? 14 divided by 7, you will have 2, and there's a P left, also put it there. And 35 divided by 7, you will have 5, and there's an R. That's it already, of course. And then let's continue with number 3. Number 3, you have 6h squared k minus 3hk squared. Yes, first of all, numbers. Can they both be divided by anything? They both can be divided by 3, so take that out. And then they both have h, they both have k, you also have k. So take those as well. So take out h, take out k, everything. How many h and how many k shall we take out? So they both have 10 minutes. So at least one h and at least one k. So let's take that out. And then whatever is left, just put it back. So 6 divided by 3, you have 2. And then you had 2 of the h square here. You just took out 1. What is left? 1 more is left. And then you just have 1k. You already took that out, so no k left. And then here, minus 3 divided by 3, nothing. H divided by h, nothing. K squared divided by k, because that's 2. There's 1 taken out, so 1 is left. So it will be negative k. That's it, of course. And then number 4, you have 9d plus 18e plus 3f. They can be all divided by a special number, right? The first one is 3 times 3d, and 3 times 6e, 3 times single f. So anything special for all of them, they can all be divided by 3. So you take that 3 out and all the other things, put it back in the bracket. Very easy, right? That's good to know. I'm just talking to myself, I know. Please don't mind too much because I have always been like this. Number 5. You have 5ab minus 25ac minus 40ad. Okay. Any unknowns common? They all have a. Any number common? They all have 5. So you take that out, 5a, and then there's just b left here. And then 5a, you will have 5c, because 5 times 5, you have 25. And then c. And then 5a, 5 times what is 40? 5 times 8. So all of them have 5a. So you take that out, whatever is left, put it in the bracket. So b minus 5c minus 8d. Follow the symbols as well, by the way. Unless all of them have the same symbols, then you take the symbol out as well. Like the next question. Negative 6m square minus 10 m cube plus 8m. Any unknowns? Any number first of all? They can all be divided by 2. So you take that out. And also the m, all have at least one m. What is left? Negative. Okay, 6 divided by 2, 3. It was m square here, so 2 of the m's, and 1 you take out. How many left? 1 is left. And then 10 divided by 2, 5. You had a cube here. Cube means 3 as the power, and then you have taken out 1. How many left? 2. And then 8 divided by 2, 4. Oops, that plus. That's the answer already. Don't overthink. Next. Thank you, next. That was out of tune, but it's okay, guys. I don't even know if you guys have heard of this song, because I feel like I'm so much older than you guys now. And then maybe my taste of song and you guys' taste of songs is so much different already. Okay, numbers. See, they are all same. That means they are all can be divided by 11. Any unknown same. They all have x. They all have y too. So you take out both x and y. What is left? 11 divided by 11, 1. X divided by x, 0. I mean, they are 1, so they are done. And the y square minus y square divided by y. 2 here, 1 is taken out, so just 1 is left. And then 55 divided by 11, you have 5. Then x squared divided by x, you had 2 here, you take out 1, so 1 is left. No more y's. And then 33 divided by 11, 3. X you already took out, and then you have a cube. You took out 1, so 2 is left. Easy, right? That's good to know. As if I can hear you guys know, right? Number 8. A plus B plus A plus B. Now, what is common? This is one set, this is one set. Anything between these two sets? Yes, they both have A plus B. So you take the whole thing out directly. This is one whole thing. What is left? You take out this A plus B already. So from here, C is left. From here, the hidden one. Okay, you need to write here. That's the answer already. I'm going quick already, right? Am I too quick? Let me know. How would you let me know? Because the video is already done by that time. Ha ha ha. So lame. Yes. And then now, anything common? This and this. So you take this out. You take this out. This is gone. This is gone. What is left? P minus Q. It's Q, right? Oh no, it's 9. Oh my god, my ugly writing. 9, not Q. So please be careful of your writing too. My own writing tricking me, right? Next. Last Christmas I gave you my name, but the very next day you gave it away. Oh, let's talk about maths. Last exam I gave you some practices, but the very next day you forgot it all. Now summer classes I have to reteach you guys. Sorry guys, that's just me. Now here, this looks like the same, but they are not the same, right? How can I make them the same? I just have to switch the places, but how? What you can do is change the symbol outside. If you do that, then this can be switched. So it will be A, H minus K, minus B, H minus K. Now they are same, right? If they are same, you can take that out. And whatever is left. Good. Smart guys. Next. 4A R minus 4AS plus 3BR minus 3BS. Wow, so long. So if you have more than 3 things, the trick is to divide into 2 parts first, and then see if you can do it. So from this part, anything common, they both have 4A. How about the back? They both have 3B. So take those out first. So 4A, what is left? R minus S. And then from here you took that 3B out. What is left? R minus S. And then now anything common again. Yes, R minus S. So as long as everything is not in brackets, you keep taking out. Alright, that's good. Next, 12. Two P squared plus PQ minus 4P minus 2Q. Again, divide into 2 different parts. So the first part, anything common, and then the second part. You have P. Take that out. You have 2P plus Q. The second one, both of them have negative as well. So you also take that out. Negative and then the number 2. Because both can be divided by 2. So you have 2P plus Q. And then both of them have 2P plus Q. So you also take that out. What is left? P minus 2. That's for question 12. And then now 13. I just have 4 more minutes. Let's see how many I can make. 3P. I can't read your writings. It should be cube minus 6P squared plus 4P minus 8. Anything common in the first part? Both can be divided by number 3 and they both have P squared. At least 2 of the P's. So what is left? 3 is gone. P is cube divided by P2. You just have 1 P left. And 6 divided by 3? 2. Now how about the back? Any same number that can be divided by 4. What is left? P minus 2. And then now what is common? They both have P minus 2. So you take that out. Please don't share my singing skills outside. I don't want to be famous yet. Famous? Miss, that's disgusting. It's okay. I don't care. X minus y squared minus x. Oops. X plus y. How do I do this? Do I expand everything? No need, because this looks so much similar, just the symbols are different. So what I do is change the initial symbol and change everything else as well. And then they both have x minus y now. So I take one of the x minus y. Because this one has a square, so that means two of them. So one you took it out and one is left. So x minus y. And at the back, because you took this out, so just -1 left. Good. For 14 and then 15, you have the same thing. A plus b square minus ca minus cb. At front, you do nothing first. At the back, both of them have -c. You take that out, and then a plus b is left. And then they both have a plus b. You take that out. And because the first part has square, so that means one more a plus b is left. And then at the back, minus c. Okay, number 16. Whoa, we are close to the end. 3p minus 9q minus 2pq plus 6q square. Again, divided into two parts. The first part, anything common, they both can be divided by the number 3. So p minus 3q. And the second one, they both can be, because there's a negative, so you also take out negative. They both can be divided by 2. Then they also have q, so you take that out as well. What is left? You took the negative out from the front, so no more negative. So what is left? Only p. From the second part, you also take out the negative. So negative and positive will become negative. And the 6 divided by 2, you will have 3. And then you had a q square here. You just took out one of them. So q is left as well. And then now from here, anything common? Yes, this is common. So you take this out. And then 3 minus 2q. That's all. So, do I continue? Yeah, just 3 more questions left. Congratulations, guys. I'm so proud of you guys to keep staying with me. 17a. mx plus nx. Oh my god, that's so long. I don't hope this is in your exam. So there's 6 parts, 6 things, 6 terms, so divided into 3 different parts. The first part, anything common? The second part, anything common? And the last time, anything common? So the first one, x. So what is left? M plus n. Did I copy something wrong? Yeah, you did. That's why it's wrong. Here it's y. So if you notice, these 3 things have x, these 3 things have y. So you take it that way. Okay? So you will have the x from the first 3 things, m plus n minus p. And the y from the other things, p minus n minus m. Now, if you notice, this and this look the same, almost the same, but the symbols against are different. So if that is the case, then you change the symbol in front. So it will be minus y. And then you can change orders. So m plus n minus p. And then now anything same, they both have this thing. So you write this thing in front. And all the other things at the back. Good. And then 17b. X squared plus xz minus xy minus yz. So take anything that's common first of all. The first 2, they have x. What is left? X plus z. The second one, they have -5. So what is left? X plus z. And then now they both have x plus z. And then x minus y is left. And then the last one, 17c. 4ab minus 3c minus 4ac plus 3b. This one has nothing common. This one also has nothing common. What do I do now? Then rearrange the order. Anything that has 4 right in front. And then everything that has 3 right at the back. See if you can find anything now. They both have 4a, so you take that out. What is left? B minus c. And then they both have 3, so you take that out. What is left? -c plus b. -c plus b, and this will be same. So you take that out, b minus c, and then 4a plus 3. That's your final answer. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. I know this was very complicated. Factorization is a very hard topic for junior forms, and if you have further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section down below, or you can ask me on Instagram, or if you have my WhatsApp number, which can be easily found on Instagram as well, you can contact me from there too. So till next time, see you, tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, bye bye. Now leave.